Supporters of same-sex marriage erupting in celebration as the U.S. Supreme Court today issues a monumental ruling. Since 1996, the Defense of Marriage Act, or DOMA, has banned federal benefits for same-sex married couples. Today, by a 5-4 vote, the Supreme Court ruled that ban to be unconstitutional. So same-sex couples married in a state where it's legal can now get federal tax breaks and other benefits even if they move to some other state. However, on a state level, states like Ohio that ban same-sex marriage don't have to recognize gay marriages that are legal in other states like Massachusetts, except when it comes to those federal benefits. The Supreme Court also didn't change a lower court's ruling striking down California's Proposition 8. California voters had amended their constitution to ban same-sex marriage, just the way Ohio voters did in 2004. While the High Court today allowed gay marriages to be legal in California, it did not extend its ruling to other states, like Ohio.
Now, Ohio does not recognize same-sex marriage, so how will the Supreme Court's ruling impact gay and lesbian couples in our state? Wally Aliu is live now to explain.
Jack, Deb, right now it's not 100% clear just how many of the federal rights and benefits will be extended to gay married couples here in Ohio. But for one local couple we spoke to, today was just all about, as they call it, a beginning for marriage equality.
Extremely happy to know that I'm finally being recognized.
John Gantt and Scott Didier have been together for 20 years.
And when New York State legalized gay marriage a couple years ago, we went to New York State and was married to be 2 years this coming July.
They live here in Ohio, one of the many states that doesn't recognize gay marriage and still doesn't have to. But today a change. Married same-sex couples in Ohio and federal employees can now access federal benefits, but when it comes to non-federal benefits, it gets a little dicey.
Would Ohio be required to respect the marriage of a person in California in terms of benefits? I think the answer is yes.
We spoke with Attorney John Ryan. He says the Supreme Court deciding to give federal benefits to married gay couples set a standard for every state or every organization who says they only give benefits to a marriage between a man and a woman.
I just don't think that based upon this decision, any state or any hospital or any jail can discriminate.
There are more than 1,000 federal rights and benefits of marriage, from Social Security survivor benefits to federal tax benefits to federal employee health and retirement benefits. For the non-federal benefits like hospital visits, Ryan says it's only a matter of time.
If I were house counsel for a hospital, I would tell the admission people to treat the proclaimed all married people the same.
For John and Scott, they say today was one step closer for their full equality.
We're both extremely happy. It's a very emotional day for LGBT people.
Yeah, as you heard, there are more than 1,000, closer to 1,100 benefits that married couples get. To see the full list of those benefits, find this story on our website, fox45now.com. For now, that's the very latest here in Dayton. Wale Aliu, Fox 45 News.